It's a video, Thomas. Nice one, dickhead. Thomas. That's what it is on his business card. So what do you reckon, guys? Definitely shooting here. Oh, show. I can't see it, look, it's so dark over there. Look at this dickhead. Well odd.
That's really pretty a shot.
Yeah, it's alright. You're forgiven for now. I'm recording you, dickhead. Casual day, casual sunny day, and there's a fucking
I know,
face.
that's proper dead.
Fucking sat right there. Oh god. That's horrible. Safe peeps.